Is it time to buy or sell New Holdings Ltd stock? In this video, we will explore New Holdings Ltd in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, in the year 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT for at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of March 2025, our system has ranked New Holdings Ltd as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.24. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is moving within a very wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 0.696% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -12.68% to positive 20.58%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 2.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -9.55% and positive 40.30% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $10.57 and $16.40. Our latest daily update for New Holdings Ltd features the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for New Holdings Ltd as stock downgraded to sell candidate. The stock price for New Holdings Ltd increased by 0.86% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, rising from $11.59 to $11.69. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.78%, with a low of $11.50 and a high of $11.82. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 15.51% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased by 25 million shares on the last day, with a total of 36 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $419,690,000. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $16.15, while the lowest was $9.67. Currently, the price is 27.62%, or $4.46, below the 52-week high of $16.15, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. New Holdings, trading under the symbol NU, recently encountered some challenges as it fell short of revenue expectations in the fourth quarter due to slower customer growth and currency fluctuations that affected profit margins. Despite these short-term obstacles, New Holdings remains a strong contender for long-term growth, capturing less than 4% of a vast and underbanked market in Latin America. The company boasts an impressive 32% adjusted annual return on equity, providing a solid foundation for its future. Over the past 3 months, NU stock surged by 12%, indicating increasing investor interest, despite recent volatility that has seen shares decline approximately 37% from their peak over the past year. This roller coaster ride in stock performance reflects broader market dynamics and investor sentiment, underscoring the importance of prudent timing for potential investors. The current market environment could present a compelling opportunity for long-term investors who believe in the company's growth potential, particularly given its robust capital position that can help mitigate temporary setbacks. In the short term, fluctuations driven by investor sentiment and market conditions may lead to volatility, but the underlying fundamentals suggest that New Holdings could serve as a fruitful investment as it increases its market share over time, making it a potentially lucrative option as it evolves into a profit machine in the fintech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NU a sell grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Zacks Investment Research assigned NU a perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned NU a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned NU a underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned NU a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned New Holdings Ltd stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for New Holdings Ltd. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 10, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 15.51%. Further increase is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close observation. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The stock for New Holdings Ltd holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $12.02. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $11.67. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby strengthening the overall signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for New Holdings Ltd. New Holdings Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at $11.48, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $0.32 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.78%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for New Holdings Ltd, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 11 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for New Holdings Ltd. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for New Holdings Ltd is at $11.73. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, New Holdings Ltd faces its first support level at $11.48. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for New Holdings Ltd from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 4th day of February in the year 2015, when Werner Schwieger conducted an insider sale of 2,488 shares of common stock with a par value of $5. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is New Holdings Ltd stock a good buy? New Holdings Ltd currently shows several negative indicators, and we believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of March, we anticipate that New Holdings Ltd will open lower by 2 cents and begin trading at $11.67. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.